My name's Mark and I'm the store manager at J&S Accessories in Maidstone. We're based in central Maidstone on Lower Boxley Road, just outside of the main town centre, with parking directly outside the front of the store for cars and bikes. We're one of 25 stores across the UK with clothing and accessories to suit any budget. In store we have roughly over 500 helmets to suit any style of rider. We have a wide range of helmets from full face to flip fronts and from open face to motocross. With brands such as Shoei, Schubert, HJC and Arrow. Here at J&S in Maidstone we have an extensive range of boots from companies such as Alpine Style City, Frank Thomas and BPS. In store we have a wide selection of 1 and 2 piece leather suits, along with textile jackets, trousers and Kevlar jeans. I'm proud to say we have the best selection of women's clothing and accessories in the area, from helmets, boots, jackets and gloves. We carry a wide range of accessories, from Oxford luggage, muck-off bike cleaner and force field back inserts.